Hello, welcome to Reindev Review. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur objects using the Capcut app. If you're not familiar with this feature, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. But before we begin, make sure your Capcut app is updated to the latest version, which you can easily do through the Google Play Store. And no worries, you can follow along with a free version of Capcut too. Alright, let's get started. After you've updated your Capcut app, the first step is to open the app. Once it's open, you'll be on the main screen. Here, we need to create a new project. Just click the New Project button in the center of the screen. After the new project opens, you can select the video you want to edit from your gallery. I've already prepared a video here as an example. Now, once the video is on the timeline, we're going to create a double overlay. It's easy, just click on the video in the timeline, then find and select the overlay option at the bottom. This will make your video appear as an overlay, ready for further editing. This step is important because it allows you to separate the video layers and apply effects, like blur, to one part of the video without affecting the whole thing. Once the double overlay is done, we can move on to the next steps to start applying the blur effect to the object you want. Let's continue with the next part of the tutorial. Next, after your overlay video is ready, you can start by selecting the effects section at the bottom of the screen. Here, we'll add the blur effect. Simply go to the video effects category, then look for and select the blur lens effect. After that, make sure to click confirm so the effect is applied to your overlay video. At this point, you'll see the blurred part of the video. But we're not done yet. Now, we'll fine-tune the specific area to blur. The next step is to click on the overlay video again, then find the masking feature at the bottom. With the masking feature, you can select the specific area you want to blur, like a face, object, or any part of the video. Masking is very useful for focusing the blur effect on a certain area without affecting the entire video. Let's move on to the next part to adjust the masking in more detail. After activating the masking feature, you can move the blur area to target the specific object you want to blur. You can also use the tracking movement feature to follow the motion of the object you want to blur. So, feel free to choose any part of the object to apply the blur effect. This method can be applied in all versions of Capcut, including the free version, so there's no need to use the pro version. It works just fine. So, that's pretty much it for how to create a blur effect on an object using the Capcut app, easy and updated for 2024. I hope this tutorial is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.